In this video we're going to look at some more questions in relation to car expenses and how to calculate the amount, and specifically how to calculate the amount of fuel consumed by different cars over different amounts of kilometers. So if we look at this question, we're asked to calculate the fuel consumption for each of the following vehicles, and they want it in liters per 100 kilometers. So if we look at click that off. If we look at A, Ahmed's car uses 38.2 liters of petrol to travel 400 kilometers. So, what's our fuel consumption? Well, fuel consumption is going to be equal to the liters of petrol, so in this case 38.2 liters divided by 400 kilometers. So this will be in liters per kilometer. And that's going to be equal to, well, what's this going to be equal to? 38.2 divided by 400. And this is equal to 0.0955 liters per kilometer. But they don't want it in liters per kilometer, they want it in liters per 100 kilometers. So we need to times this answer by 100. So fuel consumption in liters per 100 kilometers is going to be equal to 0.0955 times 100 times 100, which is 9.55 liters per 100 kilometers. So that's how you would solve it if you wanted to do this in two separate steps, but you can do it in a quicker way if we just multiply the fuel consumption by 100 during this step as well. So I'll just show you what I mean by that in the next one. Alright, so B, a sports car traveled 900 kilometers using 79.38 liters of petrol. The fuel consumption in liters per 100 kilometers is going to be equal to, well, our fuel consumption, which is 79.38 liters, times 100 divided by 900 kilometers. Right? So 79.38 times 100 divided by 900. Oh, hold on. Divided by 900 is going to be equal to 8.82. So 8.82 liters per 100 kilometers. Alright, so you can see that this way just does the whole process that we did before, but in one step. So whatever unit it asks you to put it into, 100 kilometers, 1,000 kilometers per whatever, just multiply that into the numerator of the fraction. So next one, so fuel consumption is going to be equal to, well, Joe's sedan uses 30.36 liters of liquid petroleum gas, so 30.36 times 100 divided by 600 kilometers, which is equal to, what's that going to be equal to? 30.36 times 100 divided by 600. .06 5.06 liters per 100 kilometers. Alright, and D, a small car uses 40.05 liters of petrol to travel 500 kilometers. Again, our fuel consumption in liters per 100 kilometers is going to be equal to 41.05 times 100 divided by 500, and that is going to be equal to, well, 41.05 times 100 divided by 500 is equal to 8.21. 8.21 liters for every 100 kilometers traveled. So that's how you solve that problem there. It's perfectly fine to use the method by which you solve for liters per individual kilometers and then multiply it by 100 or whatever the specified units are in the question. But this is just a quick way in order to speed up how quickly you get through these questions. Alright, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope this was helpful.